Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to your favorite channel, MH Health channel. The topic which I will present today is 4 tests to confirm pregnancy. So basically there are 4 tests by which you can confirm your pregnancy. Number 1, home urine pregnancy test. Number 2, Serum Beta SG, which is human chorionic gonadotropin test. Number 3, Transvaginal Ultrasound, which is TVS. Number 4, Abdominal Ultrasound. So the number 1 is home urine pregnancy test. A pregnant woman placenta produces HCG, also called the pregnancy hormone. If you are pregnant, the test can usually detect this hormone in your urine about a day after your first menstrual period. Number 2, Serum Beta SG. Beta SG is a sex hormone found in the mother's blood serum that can be used to help interpret obstetric ultrasound findings. Beta SCG levels may be used in 3 ways in the clinical setting of pregnancy. Has been used in the first trimester to help determine if an ectopic pregnancy should be suspected. Number 3, Transvaginal Ultrasound, TVS. A transvaginal ultrasound is also called an endovaginally ultrasound. Is a type of pelvic ultrasound used by doctors to examine female reproductive organs. This includes the uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, cervix and a vagina. Number 4, Abdominal Ultrasound. An abdominal ultrasound is a process in which a technician moves a transducer which generates high frequency sound waves across the abdomen to display a picture, which is sonogram, to a computer screen. So this is it today guys. Please like, subscribe and press the notification icon for more updates and the recent videos. Thank you.